guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step on how to cornrow. Here, as you can see, I have already parted the hair so that I can go ahead and start braiding. Now I am going to section off the hair so that I can begin my very first braid. Before we jump into the first braid, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, thumbs up this video, and share. Here I'm just applying a little bit of flaxseed gel that I made. I do have a video on how I made this if you would like to go and check it out. Now guys, before you want to braid, whether you have straight hair, relaxed hair, or natural hair, make sure you have some type of moisturizer so that while you're braiding, your hair does not get tangled. At the hairline, you want to divide your hair into 3 equal parts, and this will help you get ready to begin your braid. Here I have slowed down the video so you guys can get a better look at how I am beginning my braid. You're going to begin braiding the section of hair at the hairline. This is where a braid turns into a cornrow. As you continue to braid the hair, add hair from the section you're braiding into the cornrow. This is what attaches the braid to the scalp. Each time you pick up one of the 3 pieces of hair to braid, make sure you gently pull hair from one parted off section and add it in as you braid. Make sure that you're adding hair evenly so that your braid comes out looking neat. Now while braiding hair, I do like to make sure that I don't have any flyaway hair that is coming into the braid that I am braiding. That way the person who is getting their hair braided is comfortable and I'm not pulling on any hair that is not supposed to be in the braid. When braiding your hair or anyone's hair, you want to make sure that you are not pulling and that you're being very gentle. Continue to braid the section of hair, adding more hair into the cornrow as you work your way towards the end of the braid. As you get to the end of your cornrow, you want to make sure that your ends are not unraveling. You can curl them around your finger. This will probably work better on natural hair. For hair that is straightened or relaxed, you can use a snap-free rubber band or a barrette. And there you go, you have your very first braid. Okay, I'm gonna speed up the video. My baby was getting tired, but don't worry, I will do a couple more slow-mos as we get closer to the end of the video. When braiding children's hair, make sure you leave their edges out. Do not pull their edges tight. You don't want them to have any breakage, or you don't want them to be in any type of pain. I would rather leave my kids' edges out other than have them pulled and tugged on. This is the finished look. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share, and guys, make sure you are subscribed. And like I say in every other video, I will see you guys later. Peace out.